This is a video by Richpin. We are doing this video today because somebody wanted to know about the strobe light. I put on the third light. I have a switch on there. Now here's the strobe light. If you're not familiar with it, now I have a switch in there, and when you flick it, it will, there. Now the brake is in its normal operation. So I am going to show you today how I wired that. Now under the cover to the third brake light on the Saturn, you'll see these wires right here. The blue wire is from the brake light switch. So what I did is I cut it and then I soldered in two wires. These black wires right here, they go to the front of the vehicle. Here is where the switch is mounted, right down here. It's out of the way. It doesn't interfere with the parking brake. And let's take this piece out. And I'll reach in there and grab that switch. I already took the nut off of it. Okay, there's the switch, there's the strobe. Now here are the two black wires that are spliced into the light in the back, and you do want to keep track of which is which. I've labeled it 1 and 2 because 1 is live. And here's the switch. It is a 3-pole switch. Part number, I do not know. So now, let's trace these black wires right here. I believe that this one labeled 1 is live. I've got the switch in the middle position. And yeah, number 1 is live. And in the middle position right here is the other black wire that goes back to the light. Now let's see, number 3 here, what do we got on that? I believe we got this one labeled 3, yep. This is the red wire that comes out of the strobe module. Right there. Now, the other red wire from the strobe is labeled number 1. So that comes over here to this terminal right there. And you can see right here, this black wire right here is the ground wire to the strobe. I found a nice ground down there. I know, you want to see it, right? Alright. There is a bolt down there. Jeez, I can't even see it. What if I zoom in? That's my ground right there. Okay, I hope I covered all the wiring to everybody's satisfaction. So that's it. So that's all there is to wiring in a switch for your third brake light strobe.